What's up with your man? It's your girl Kay.ann back with another video. I am starting this video off looking a hot mess, but by the end we gonna get it together. We are gonna get it together. So right now you see me adding in some clip-ins. I made these clip-ins myself with some leftover hair that I had from AliExpress. I made these in 2017 while I was still in hair school. I also colored them. I had bleached the hair and then I put like a red burgundy color over it, and then once I got tired of that I put this raspberry color on top. So you see me just adding in these clip-ins. Clip-ins is a good route to go when you just want to add a little flair, add some thickness, add some highlights without actually committing to doing it to your real hair. I would suggest not to color your real hair unless you're someone that's going to take really good care of it, because it requires a lot of work. So and it's also good for people. Clip-ins are good for people that don't want to do the sew-in. You don't want to be attached to a style for too long. So I sprayed my Bumble and Bumble heat protectant that I got out of my Vox box from Influencer. I suggest signing up for Influencer if you're someone that likes to review products and you buy a lot of products, because you can get some things for free for your reviews. So go check that out. And then after that I added my Design Essential Serum to the hair, and now you see me going through and detangling small sections and just doing one pass with the flat iron. This is a Babyliss flat iron that I ordered offline from Sally's, and I freaking love this flat iron. It gets my hair super smooth, and this is just one pass and you see what it's doing. Like, imagine if I'm really trying to get my hair bone straight. It doesn't take much. So yeah, just going through, and now I'm going to curl my hair. I'm someone that likes volume, and I wear my hair straight so much that today I decided I just wanted some curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Go ahead, girl. Alright, so now I'm curling this next side. I really just do loose quick curls on this side because I don't know, I don't really feel like dealing with this side too much. So I usually just go through, do a little curls and bump it, because I usually wear that behind my ear. And you guys, my bangs were giving me so much trouble, and I think it's just because my hair is it's a few weeks old at this point. I just need to wash it. It has product buildup, so it wasn't trying to give me my flawless curl like I usually can get. So yeah, don't do what I do. Don't keep going back and putting flat iron on the same piece. It's just, I was trying to get it right for this video, but what I need to do is just freaking wash my hair. So yeah, I'm going to smooth out where my part is. And now we're gonna get into makeup. I tie my scarf around it just to kind of lay the top down flat and to get my hair out of my face. So I am doing my brows first with the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade chocolate, and I just do this to kind of create the shape that I want and to have the first part of my brow lighter, because I will be going in with a brow pomade. And if you're used to using pomades, waxes, whatever, you know that your brows can get really dark and really harsh really quick. So I start off with the pencil so I can be more light-handed. It's just I can't leave the pomade alone though, because it just makes the brow so defined. So I go in with the this is actually called a brow bond, because brow pomade, I don't know if like Anastasia, that's only their word, but this is called brow bond. Anyway, I'm going in with my angled brush in this product to create brow like strokes and just to get the tail end of my brow and arch more crisp. And after this, I am going to be carving it out with my ColourPop foundation stick, and I'll talk to y'all in a minute. So now I am blending out the concealer that I used to carve out my brow. I also added my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer to the rest of my lids just to prepare for shadow. And I usually don't do this, but I'm going to do it today just so I can get a blown out and smooth look. I'm setting my eye with a powder. And this is a good trick, you know, for just a quick makeup look, because this isn't anything extravagant. I'm going to go in with my fluffy Morphe brush and just use my Black Radiance contour and bronzer and just sweep those colors into my crease and pretty much all over my eye. It just gives a wash of color and, you know, makes you look alive and creates contour. So now I am doing a wing with the Anastasia liquid liner. I got this from Influencer as well, so I'm telling you, go sign up, y'all. It's well worth it. I don't think I would have ever tried this liner if it wasn't for them. So I line my eyes and then I put my Eye Envy lashes on. I do not know what lashes these are, but they are my new fave, so I need to figure it out. And after that, I prime my face with my Maybelline Master Prime. It's number 100, the blur one. And then I'm going in with my Beauteous Cosmetics Sunbeam drops. And I suggest you check Beauteous Cosmetics out. It is owned by a young Black woman. She's a mom and we went to school together, and I completely support her business, and you should as well. And then I'm going in with my, because it's right in the view of the camera, Kayla, Jesus, pay attention, be a real YouTuber. I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, and it's in the number 510, if you couldn't already see. I'm just gonna let you know. Yeah, now you see it. And I use my beauty blender, but it's not a beauty blender. It's the Real Technique sponge. It might not even be the Real Technique sponge. I don't even know. But I use my sponge to blend that out. And now I have gone in with my ColourPop foundation stick as a concealer. I really like the color of it. It's not too far off from my skin tone, and it's like a yellowy color, so I like to put that down first. And then I use my LA Pro Conceal in Toast for my contour. I'm gonna try something else because I just feel like it's been looking muddy lately, and I don't know if that's because of me, it's not mixing well with my foundation or what. So please suggest something for me that you like for contour. And then I am using my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in 385 Amber, I believe. And I like this for brightening. Like, I've started liking a really bright under eye lately, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm blending it with my Real Techniques setting brush. I love this for blending out my concealer. I wish you guys could see me doing that, but once again, I'm not being a real YouTuber, so we gonna get it together though. And now I am using this Morphe brush to blend out my nose contour. I absolutely love the brush. I will leave it down below. It's just, it fits right into that little space, and I love it for blending out. Now I am setting my highlighted areas with the Makeup Revolution banana powder. Clean it up, crack. Anyway, I was gonna say the line from White Chicks, but whatever. So I am baking in those areas, and I am using my Black Radiance True Complexion contour kit in light to medium, and I'm just setting those areas where I put that pro conceal down. And I also do underneath my jawline because your girl been eating and she needs to stop. Jesus, please make me stop. And after that, I kind of clean up where I contoured with the setting powder again. I put blush on. I've been loving blush lately. I just think it looks so good on the face. And I kind of go heavy on blush because it's the first thing to wear off on your face. So don't be afraid to pack it on because it's going to end up going away anyway. And then after I set with my Maybelline Lasting Fix spray, I will go ahead and highlight with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey. I love this for just like my everyday highlight. It's really, really pretty. And as you can see, I'm beaming, honey. I'm going in with my mascara now. I use the Buxom mascara. I also got that from Influencer Girl. For real, check it out. They need to sponsor, sis. Like, they need to sponsor me. I need a new Vox box just for mentioning them. But for real, check them out. So I lined my lips with a brown pencil, and then I went in with Nika K New York. It's a liquid lip in the shade Santa Fe. I get it from the beauty supply store. And then on top of that, I went in with my NYX lingerie lip, and that was in satin ribbon. And then I go back over with the liner real quick just to make sure it's all blending together and looking good. I'm feeling myself at this point. yes. And then I go in with a NYX lip cream in the shade Natural. You pat that out. All right, girl, take the scarf off, show out, cut up. Them bangs is still not cooperating. Look at me, just fidgeting with it. Like, can we get it together, please? But anyway, I'm gonna go fix my edges, and I will be talking to you in the video. So see you in a minute. All right, y'all, I am back. Close that. Okay, I'm back. I just have this cropped hoodie on. That's my class hoodie, class of 2015, and a tank dress. Nothing extravagant. This is just like chill mode, chill kind of, but cute. Show your curves outfit. I would just put this with my Vans or my Chucks or like some black boots. But yeah, you guys, we did hair, makeup, and outfit for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you see that hanger moving right there, that's because the baby is over there playing with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. When you guys subscribe and you hit that thumbs notification button, it is letting me know that you are enjoying my content and you want me to continue to post. Please share with your family and friends so this channel can grow, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. This ain't over.